Hi, welcome to Volatility 411 for November 11th, Veterans Day. Before we get going, happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. And of course, thank you and your families for your service. As I stand here, the S&P 500 is kind of flat. We are on the heels of probably the strongest day in the last couple of years for the S&P 500 after we got kind of a tame inflation number yesterday on November 10th. S&P 500's flat. The VIX is down just a little bit, around 2340 or so. VIX is coming under pressure, got somewhat of a headwind. The feeling in the markets is that maybe the worst is behind us as far as the tightening cycle goes. Right now, checking the Fed funds derivative markets, we're looking for a 50 basis point increase in December. Yesterday, that number dropped down to 25 basis points for February. It's bumped back up to 50 basis points for February. However, looking farther out at what the market thinks the Fed's going to do, now it looks like they're going to top out at maybe 4.75 to 5%, either at the September or the November meeting in 2023. That means maybe the tightening cycle is about going to end about 9 months from now or so, and the stock market likes that an awful lot, and that's also put some pressure on volatility, hence lower VIX, regardless of what S&P 500's been doing these days. Trading-wise, came across an interesting trade at 3 a.m. Saw it on the tape. I was not up for it. Somebody came in and sold a few hundred of the November 25 calls, took in $1.13, looking for VIX settlement under 25 on November 16th open. That's next Wednesday's open. So these options only have a couple of more days left of trading before settlement. VIX under 25, this trade does particularly well. December's going to become the front month next week. We're almost through with 2022. Did come across a bear call spread. Somebody sold the DC 29 calls, bought the 34 calls, took in a 70-cent credit, looking for a December settlement at 29 or lower. Looking good so far on that trade as well. As long as we have the status quo, it's probably going to be okay. So with all of that, again, thank you for your veterans. Thank you for your service. And I'm Russell Rhoads, and that's your Volatility 411.